There's something undeniably satisfying about working with wax seals. The flicker of the flame, the swirl of the melted wax, the moment the stamp lifts to reveal your design, pure magic. Wax sealing brings an old-fashioned charm to modern-day projects, and it's not just envelopes. You can use wax seals to personalize wedding invitations, elevate gift wrapping, finish off homemade products, or even add a little flair to your journal and planner. It's versatile, fun, and surprisingly relaxing. Not sure where to start? We've made it easy with 2 wax seal stamping bundles. The starter bundle is just right if you're curious and want to dip your toes in. It includes everything you need for your first seals. No guesswork, just instant creativity. The all-in-one bundle is for when you're ready to really play. Mix and match wax colors, explore new designs, and create a setup that feels custom to you. You don't need to be perfect. Just melt, pour, and press, and let each seal be a little piece of art. There's something quite meditative about the process. It slows you down, it brings focus, and it adds a personal touch that digital just can't match. Whether you're sending a love note, wrapping a gift, or crafting pure joy, wax seals are a beautiful way to make your mark. Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.